Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today's video is going to be pretty awesome. I am going to be modifying my dad's car. The last video I did where I modified my dad's car, it did so well. You guys love seeing my dad on camera, and honestly I think he's really funny when he doesn't know that he's being filmed because he's just natural. But then when he sees the camera, he gets a little bit like shy, or I don't know, he starts to laugh. You know, he's not really himself, which is usually a little more reserved and serious. If you guys didn't know, my dad has the Lexus IS 200T, so similar model to mine. God damn, our cars are really dirty. His is an inline 4-cylinder turbo, and mine is a V6 2.5 liter. If you guys haven't seen the last mod I did to my dad's car, it'll be right here. Let's see if we can get him to notice this next mod. Guys, check this out. I have a straight full lot right here. We got my car, we got my Supra, we got my dad's car, got my girlfriend's car, got one of my mom's clients' cars, and a Tesla. This is my dad's friend's Model X, and he's thinking about getting it for my mom because she hasn't had a car since her accident. If you guys are new to the channel, about maybe a year and a half ago, my mom got into an accident. She was walking the crosswalk and she got ran over and had to get surgery on her knee. She had a Jaguar then, but the lease was getting close to ending anyways, and they decided to not get another car since she's not going to be driving for a while due to the surgery and all that stuff. And I think it's time. This might be the one. I'm honestly really glad that they might be getting this Tesla because they're getting a pretty good deal on it. My dad told me a while back, hey, what do you think of this car? I might get it for mom. And I look at it and it's the freaking LC500H. If you guys know, my dream car is the LC500, so I was telling my dad, hell no, you are not getting that car for mom. She's not gonna get that car before me. I told him if he does want to get the LC500, he should get the V8 black and maybe red interior, something along those lines, and I will buy it off him later on. So thank God he didn't get it. Kind of would have been cool though, but I want to be the first one to get that car. So in today's video, we are going to be installing a wind booster throttle controller on my dad's car. If you guys don't know what throttle controllers are, I've installed so many, I've given away some. It is one of the best bang for your buck mods because it's just simple plug and play. It's not too expensive, and it actually does make more of a difference than people think. Like, yeah, it might be a little bit of a difference. It doesn't give you actual horsepower gains, but just the fact that the electronic signal is sent faster to your throttle is pretty damn cool. So there's not as much lag from when you push the pedal to the car actually going. However, this car is a turbo, so it still does have actual boost lag. If there is a good tune out there, you should get a tune on top of this. Yep, 4S 9 mode. Nice. Super simple install. If you guys don't know how to install a throttle controller, I have plenty of videos showing you how to do it, but let's just install this really quick. Shout out to Wind Booster for sending me this for free. All right, when you guys are doing this, make sure your car's off. Funny thing is that my dad thinks that I'm going to do some maintenance on his car, or like service it. Oh boy, you're gonna get a free mod and a free car wash, Dad. Let's get it. Alright guys, so it is installed. We have the controller right here. We'd have it on race mode, of course. So check this out. I'm in normal right now, right? We're gonna have the car go up to about 1500 RPM. This is how you test if it works. It's gonna move on its own, watch. Econ, it went down. Sport, it went back up. Sport Plus, it went up. And then race. Isn't that so insane? I had it set at 1500 RPM with my foot, and it just went higher than 2000 on its own. All I had to do is just switch it to race mode. But yeah, let's test this thing out before I show my dad and get his reaction. Guys, this thing is so sick. I don't have to floor it anymore to floor it, if that makes any sense. Dude, that was like 25% throttle. What the heck? That's insane. I'm not even pressing it all the way down. Oh my god, that is crazy. This just changed my dad's car. I love driving his car because it has a turbo, but now it just feels a little more alive. Holy shit. sport mode isn't that fast. Do you notice anything, Dad?
A lot more power. But it's gonna waste a lot of gas.
I don't think I've ever seen you drive this fast. You always go really slow. This is a throttle controller, so basically what it does is it sends the electronic signal faster to your throttle, from the pedal to your throttle.
Yeah.
But there's other modes too, like I can make it really slow, but I wanted to see if you felt the difference in this.
So how many modes in there? 2?
No, there's...
Fast and slow?
No, there's this auto mode, normal, econ, sport, sport plus, race. So I have you on race mode.
So same like this one here. Right?
No.
Economy, normal, and sport.
A little bit, but this just makes your car shift slower. Not slower, but it makes it shift later, like for the RPMs. But this, like instead of you pressing the pedal all the way down, you don't have to press it all the way down. It goes just as fast. All right, Dad, after driving it, do you think it's worth it for people to buy that?
Not for me. Yeah.
All right, guys, you heard it from my dad himself. This mod is obviously just for younger people, car enthusiasts, people who, you know, like doing things to their car. He thought it was pretty sick, I'm pretty sure, but it's unnecessary. My mom is driving this car a lot more than him, but now that they have the Tesla, I don't think either of them are gonna drive this car that much anymore. And yeah, I got his approval, so one of you guys can win this throttle controller. All you have to do is like and comment what you think about this video. It's as simple as that. I always make the entry super simple for you guys, and I'll pick the winner by the next video. This throttle controller retails for probably like anywhere from $180 to $240. I never look because I get it for free, but one of you guys is gonna be able to get it for free now. All right, guys, so let's see how my mom reacts to the throttle controller. Just because sometimes my mom does daily the Lexus and my dad drives the Tesla. Let's see if she feels the difference. All right, guys, if you don't remember, this is my mom.
Hi.
It's been a while since she's been on the videos because she hasn't been able to walk, and it's been almost 2 years.
Almost a year and a half. Yeah.
Year and a half. And she's able to walk now. 5 screws in her leg. 5 screws.
It's good, yeah.
Okay, Mom, so I put this throttle controller in Dad's car, and I want to see if you can feel the difference.
Yeah.
I'll put it on. Right now it's a normal.
So cool, yeah.
Does it feel like the Tesla? Not really.
Almost. But I like it. I like it.
Would you want to keep it, or you don't really need it?
I really like it, but I don't need for this car, you know.
So I can give this away to one of my subscribers, right?
Yeah.
See, you guys heard?
For who need it.
So if you guys don't believe that throttle controllers work, these actually do. It's approved by my mom, and you really can feel the difference. So one of you guys can win this controller. All right, Mom, thank you for the drive. I hope you enjoyed it.
You're welcome, babe.
I know you don't get to keep it, but it's okay. You have a Tesla now.
Thank you.
Wow, guys, that was freaking awesome. I'm so glad that she kind of enjoyed it. Now we're gonna go over to Danny, and he is going to ceramic wash my car, and we're gonna cook up a video just for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. That was super fun filming that with Danny. If you guys are looking to ceramic coat your car or paint correct or anything, hit up Danny at CultureAutoSpa. He will take care of you. Links are in the description below if you want to check out his pricing and his Instagram as well. I've never had my car shot by a drone before. It was so cool to see it from above and to see it rolling while the camera was in front of my car. It was awesome. Such a great experience. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will be dropping off the Lexus this Monday for paint. Finally gonna get my bumper repaired, install the fenders, so hopefully next video this will be all done. I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later. You didn't even say your line. Look like angry at this, like, oh, what did you do? Like, confused. Simple.
What did you do?
That was so bad. Oh my god.
That's why the actor they go to school for.
No.
When I don't know anything, then yes. But when you tell me something, then.
Dad, you never laugh at anything and then good night, laugh like, oh, yeah.
Crazy.